Hi, my name is Madeline Killinger. Today is January 17th, 2026, and I just found this diagram that I liked on the heart online, but I'm gonna show you the course that blood takes through our body. So starting from deoxygenated blood, so blood without oxygen, it comes into the heart through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava into the right atrium. And then it goes from the right atrium into the right ventricle. And it passes through this right here, which is the tricuspid valve. And this is important because it prevents backflow from the ventricle into the atrium during contraction. And so it's still deoxygenated, it's in the right ventricle, and then it's gonna go up into the pulmonary artery, and it passes this right here, which is the pulmonary valve or semilunar valve, into the pulmonary artery, and these take it into the lungs. So these will go to the right lung and the left lung. So then it gets oxygenated in the lung, and then it comes back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, as you can see right here, into the left ventricle, the left atrium. So now it is oxygenated blood, and it's gonna go down into the left ventricle through the mitral valve here. Again, the valve prevents backflow during contraction. So here you can see the walls are a lot thicker on the left ventricle, and that is because it has to pump the blood to the whole body. So instead of just going to the lungs, it needs to be a little bit more muscular to pump blood to the rest of the body. So that is what happens next. The blood goes from the left ventricle into the aorta through the aortic valve. So once it's in the aorta, it gets distributed. This is the main artery. It takes it to other arteries in the body, and then from arteries to arterioles, and then arterioles to capillaries, and then capillaries to venules, and then venules into veins, and then the veins take it back into the vena cava, where it goes back into the heart for oxygenation. So that is the whole blood flow in our bodies. Thank you for listening.